Creativity begins with a click. Hi, this is Stilform. Since we created our beloved magnetic fountain pen and ballpoint pen, our goal has been to take the integration between magnets and pens to the next level. This is Stilform Arc. The Stilform Arc has a distinctive chamfered surface, highlighted by its unique self-aligning mechanism. Twist the cap to break the surface apart, and the cap gets pushed off by magnetic forces. Close the cap. The chamfered surfaces are aligned again perfectly. There is the same self-alignment feature when the cap is posted. This works as an effective anti-roll design. The pen is equipped with the renowned Pilot's gel ink refill that comes in various colors and thickness. The fine tip refill allows precise drawing and elegant writing. The Stilform Arc is a made-in-Germany product. Its all-metal construction functions without any glue or plastic parts and comes with lifetime guarantee. All parts are precision machined from aerospace-grade titanium or aluminum. Fidget with the cap. The magnetic realignment delivers a really satisfying feeling. The video doesn't do it justice. You gotta experience it for yourself. Help us to bring the Stilform Arc to life. We need your support. Thank you.
An artist's tool is only as good as the artist. But a great tool can help an artist see things in a different light. Meet Scribble. It lets you borrow the colors around you and allows you to use the world as your inspiration. Just scan and start creating. It works by using a special color sensor to read the colors you scan, and a smart pump mixes and dispenses the colored ink. And with the Scribble Smart Stylus, the colors you scan will sync up with your smart devices via Bluetooth. With Scribble, the world is your palette. Scribble also helps you organize the colors in your home. With the app, you can know exactly what colors you scan and save them for later inspiration. Now, every room will be in perfect harmony. Scribble is your personal fashion advisor. Your looks will always be in sync, no matter the occasion. From your clothes to your makeup. So you can walk out with confidence. With Scribble, you can draw for as long as you want, because the ink cartridges are refillable and each lasts up to 30 miles of drawing. Scanning is simple and fast, so you can capture those colors in an instant. Plus, Scribble lets you store your own customized library of colors. And the Smart Stylus lets you apply your colors to Photoshop or your smart devices. And the mobile app lets you access your colors from anywhere, so the possibilities are limitless. With Scribble, you don't just capture colors for yourself, but also to share them. And nothing is more satisfying than a successful collaboration. The world is made of wonderful colors. And now, you have them all at your fingertips. So it's time for you to scribble.